Ever wondered why your engine isn't performing at its peak? Or why fuel efficiency keeps dropping? The best Carburetor Cleaner Fuel Additive can literally transform your ride, clean every gunky deposit, and boost performance like never before. Say goodbye to rough idling, clogged jets, and poor mileage. This tiny solution does it all. Links in the description for easy access. So let's start! Number 7. STP-1 Tank Tune-Up Fuel Additive is an absolute game changer. Instantly, it cleans your fuel injectors, intake valves, cylinder head, and piston tops. Say goodbye to rough idling, engine hesitation, and hard starts. It dramatically reduces hydrocarbon emissions up to 50%, protecting your catalytic converter and keeping your exhaust system healthy has never been easier. Plus, it cleans dirty oxygen sensors to prevent costly malfunctions. What better fuel economy? This additive helps your car run smoother and saves money at the pump. Even knocking issues disappear, and your engine sounds quieter than ever. STP's powerful formula ensures your engine performs like new. With over 50 units sold last month and glowing reviews, it's trending for a reason. Don't miss out on passing emissions tests effortlessly and keeping your vehicle in top condition. Get this 12 fleet of awesome miracle today and feel the difference instantly. Number 6. ProLube oil treatment is a game changer for any engine. It boosts horsepower instantly, giving your car real power, reduces engine noise dramatically, making rides smoother and quieter. Vibrations are minimized, protecting your engine under heavy use. Look, save big on fuel as it cuts engine friction effectively. Overheating risks drop thanks to its advanced formula. Extends engine lifespan by reducing wear up to 45%. Perfect for gas, diesel, and power plant everywhere. Transmissions and even high-mileage engines. Easy to mix with synthetic oils for quick, hassle-free application. Tailored ratios suit standard, heavy-duty, and industrial vehicles perfectly. With ProLube, your engine runs stronger, lasts longer, and feels brand new. Ideal for cars, trucks, and machinery needing serious protection. Don't miss out on quieter, powerful, and fuel-efficient driving today. Number 5. Run Right Sledgehammer Fuel System Ultra Treatment is a game changer. This powerful 12-ounce fuel additive cleans injectors, valves, and induction components swiftly. It removes carbon buildup, sludge, and sticky valve stem gum effortlessly. Use it every 3,000 miles or with oil changes for best results. Its heavy-duty formula improves acceleration, fuel efficiency, and engine power instantly. Safe for all gasoline and diesel engines. It's free from alcohol, methanol, and chlorine. Mechanics recommend it for smoother performance, reduced knocking, and longer engine life. Easy to use, cost-effective, and ideal for preventive maintenance. Sledgehammer is your ultimate solution for optimal engine health and lasting performance. Don't wait. Keep your fuel system clean, efficient, and powerful. Number 4. Gum Out Carburetor Cleaner is a game changer. This powerful spray quickly removes gum, varnish, and dirt inside and outside your carburetor. It tackles hard starting, rough idling, stalling, and high exhaust emissions effectively. With fast-drying formula, it cleans unpainted metal parts without damage. It also improves engine performance and fuel economy instantly. Perfect for clogged carburetors, choke valves, and intake systems. Eco-friendly and easy to use, it prevents future buildup too. Thousands trust Gum Out, making it a #1 bestseller. Affordable, efficient, and highly rated, it's a must-have for every car enthusiast. Don't let engine problems slow you down. Clean smarter, drive better, and save fuel today. Hashtag car maintenance, hashtag engine care, hashtag gum out. Number 3, A-Team Performance Ultrasonic Cleaner Solution is a game changer. It effortlessly cleans carburetors and engine parts with precision and speed. This concentrated 1-gallon solution delivers powerful stain removal, tackling tough dirt and deposits like a pro. Its ultrasonic technology reaches the tiniest crevices, giving a deeper, faster, and more thorough clean than traditional methods. Perfect for carburetors, alternators, oil pans, and other metal components. Simply dilute 1 to 8 with water, and your engine parts shine like new. Extend engine lifespan, maintain optimal performance, and save time in every cleaning session. Trusted by over 100 buyers last month. This cleaner is highly rated and reliable. Don't settle for ordinary cleaning. Experience the professional-grade results of A-Team Performance today. Perfect for automotive enthusiasts and professionals alike. Number 2, Northwest Enterprises Ultrasonic Cleaner Solution is a game changer. This scientifically engineered fluid blasts away dirt, varnish, and gum from carburetors instantly. Perfect for cars, motorcycles, and engine parts. It penetrates deep into cracks and blind holes effortlessly. Pair it with an ultrasonic machine and watch contaminants vanish safely and quickly. Safe on aluminum, brass, copper, and more metals. It protects delicate surfaces. Highly concentrated and fast-acting. It saves time and effort for every mechanic. Eco-friendly and free from harsh chemicals, it's powerful yet safe. With over 1,000 units sold last month, users rave about its effectiveness. Truly unmatched for thorough cleaning and superior results. This solution transforms maintenance. If you want spotless carburetors and engine components every time, this is your must-have. Affordable, efficient, and professional grade. Your workshop deserves this magic fluid. Number 1, Sta-Bil Fast Fix is a game changer for small engines. It instantly cleans carburetors and fuel injectors, eliminating gum and varnish buildup. Say goodbye to rough starts and frustrating engine stalls. It even removes water from your fuel system, protecting engines without disassembly. Compatible with all 2-cycle and 4-cycle engines, it works perfectly in lawnmowers, chainsaws, generators, and trimmers. One 8-ounce bottle treats up to 20 gallons of fuel, making maintenance simple and cost-effective. Just add, run for 15 minutes, and watch your engine roar back to life. Alcohol-free, easy to use, and highly versatile, this fast-acting additive keeps your equipment running smooth and reliable. Don't wait. Keep your engines in top shape with Sta-Bil Fast Fix today. Conclusion: if you want your engine running smoother, improving fuel efficiency, and extending its life, choosing the best carburetor cleaner fuel additive is essential. The right additive can make a huge difference in performance and maintenance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share to stay updated with more top tips.